Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello sweet friends, how's it going? Happy Monday. Okay, let's jump right in. Hi guys, so you saw the title of the video. Today I'm so excited because I get to do what I love. I get to actually show you a whole bunch of ways to decorate your front entrance table, back of the couch table, just a little table that you might have here and there in your home. I have so many ideas. I think I'm going to show you 3 ways how to decorate it today. And I'm really excited for it. But before we get into that, we're going back old school. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, this is what I mean by it. So I used to do this on my channel all the time. And those of you who follow me for a long, long time will know that on Monday, I love Monday, first of all. Why do I love Monday? And sorry for my sniffling. I'm a little under the weather, so if you hear me sniffling, that's how I'm feeling. Anyways, on Monday, I love Mondays. Okay, so on Monday on my channel, we used to do this thing called Declare, Declare, Declare. So basically what it is, it's positivity. So you start your week off with the most positive attitude ever that you could possibly have. So what I do is I declare what I want to come into my life. And I take all that negativity, because boy, oh boy, do we have a lot of negativity that comes our way on a daily basis. I mean, you'd be surprised. Even our own mouths talk a lot of negativity. And I'm one. So from now on, I'm bringing this back. On Mondays, we declare, declare, declare. So the first thing I'm declaring that's in my heart is a miracle for my mom. And in saying that, I want to thank you all for the prayers and the love that you have sent to my mom. I was talking to Mom the other day on the phone, and she loves to read through the comments. She loves to read through the comments. And she reads all the comments, just so you all know. My mom reads all the comments that that you guys share. And she said to me to tell you all of you who have been praying for her, that she really appreciates it, and she really, really, really wants to thank you from the bottom of her heart. And I really do believe that prayer is working. I'm declaring it. I'm declaring a miracle for my mom. So that's my first declaration. And then you know what I'm declaring. I'm declaring that forever home. All right, y'all. So we got that out of the way. It's Positive Monday. So let's get to decorating. Okay, y'all. We're starting with a blank slate. Here's our table. It's cute. It's got a little detail on the side. It's got a nice top. It's on the back of my sofa, but it's also in my entranceway. And you can see some stuff on the floor there because we're going to get ready to decorate. Okay, loves, look number 1. I'm starting with my lamp and this gorgeous white vase that I've had on here. Now, this is very, very big. This scale is not exactly what I love, but anyways, it's fine. It'll have to do. And here I'm going to play around with this little thing. It's a little tray, I guess, that I got from Dollar Tree. I was going to put it under the lamp because I painted it the same color as the lamp, but that didn't work. So we're just going to put it over here. And I love having candles around the house. I love it. I don't know if you're like me, but I love candles. Okay, let's go to the bottom. I'm going to use this other beautiful vase. And I'm putting them diagonal. So you can see one vase is on one side and then the other vase is on a diagonal. Now, my thinking was this. I got a lamp on one side. So diagonally, let's put something else that symbolizes light. And candles do this. So I'm taking my 3 candlesticks and a little greenery. And really, that's it. Looks cute, right, y'all? Okay, look number 2. I'm going to use some stuff I recently bought. I'm so excited to use them. I'm leaving the lamp and I'm putting these two matching vases that I absolutely love. I bought them at Hobby Lobby. If you haven't seen the shopping haul, I'll link it down below. This floral bouquet is from Walmart and it is gorgeous. And these little picks, they're also from Walmart. 97 cents, y'all. But the only thing about them that I don't like is they have a lot of fallout. And you can see me here dusting it off. They truly have a lot of fallout. All right. And a little bunny, because it's that time of year. It's bunny time, y'all. I can't wait. Okay, so the bottom shelf, I'm going to use a cutting board. And you're probably thinking to yourself, a cutting board? Why? Well, I need to bring a light to the bottom shelf because it's really dark down there. And I figured if I put something light to anchor my decor, it'll look really good. So I'm using that little vase, and I thrifted that, y'all, and two little bunnies. And by the way, if you're interested, these bunnies are really good. They're from the Dollar Tree. And here's look number 2. Okay, here's our last look. I'm taking a wreath and I'm putting it on the base of my lamp. What's my thinking? Well, do you remember years ago we used to do these blooming lamps? And I just figured, hey, why not? So I'm using this vase. You've seen it in the other thing that I did. I'm using it on the top now. And here are my two absolute favorite things I've ever thrifted, y'all. I mean, I've thrifted some really cool stuff, but these two Fitz and Floyd things, oh my goodness. And I looked on eBay. The little one is like $175. And I got it for what? $5-6? No, $7. All right. Why am I using the sign? Well, the sign has a little bit of yellow. So I figured I'll tie in the yellow from the wreath to the yellow of the sign. And I think it'll look cute. And then a few more bunnies. And that's it. You got yourself the cutest entranceway table, the cutest tables ever. I hope this gave you lots of ideas. Go out there, get creative, shop your home. And here is our last look. Y'all, I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed week ahead. Declare constantly what you want to come into your life. Take that negativity, throw it out the window. I'm telling you, this works. We have so many testimonies from so many people on this channel. Keep positive, keep focused, do what you love. Don't let anybody tell you what to do. Stay safe, stay safe out there. But just know that you have someone in your corner that loves you very much. And I can't thank you all enough. And if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. And I hope you enjoyed the decorating today. So have a wonderful week ahead. And I'll see you very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah.